Hey guys, welcome back here to TLK Outdoors. Today I'm making the 7-hour trip to Rural Retreat, Virginia to fish Cedar Springs on Cripple Creek. While we're there, guys, we're actually going to meet up with 3 other individuals there, 3 good friends of mine that you've probably seen around on YouTube a time or two. But first of all, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. So that way it keeps you guys up to date on any future videos. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get this drive in, and we'll see. We'll just see what Cedar Springs has to offer us, and you guys will get to see the 3 individuals I'm talking about. Let's get her. All right, guys, just got up here to Cedar Springs. I'm gonna start around throwing a Joe's fly this morning. Hit a couple holes. See if we can pick something up. Go ahead and switch up the NRV bait speckled pup real quick. Drift it around under here and see if we can pick somebody up. Alright guys, speckled pup going in. All right, guys, here's the first of our trio we got joining us today. You all remember Cooper, CD Outdoors. Make sure to follow his channel. Let's toss around this speckled pup real quick, see if we can pick something up. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. First fish on Cedar Springs.
Hell yeah.
Not a bad little rainbow. Cooper's gonna go ahead and get the net job in here for me. Got a good 2-3 pounder, not bad. We'll take it. Just gonna drag up a little bit here. Running 4-pound test fluoro.
Yeah, take the towel in.
Come on, buddy, come back this way. Don't go under that rock. I think he should be about ready. Maybe. Cedar Springs put some strong fish in, guys. There we go. We got him. Thank you, Coop.
Yes, sir.
Boy, you got him. Just kicked that hook, too. Just what we wanted.
The worst part, you don't have extra cold heads now. You got to touch the fish.
Yeah, I know. Let's go ahead and get this fish settled while I'm doing this, guys. If you guys want to get your hands on some of those NRV bait speckled pups, go ahead and get yourself 5% off by using TLK Outdoors. Head over to nrvbaits.com and just type in TLK Outdoors. Get yourself 5% off of those speckled pups, guys. You can see 2 casts in. Very first drift with the bobber, got one on. Can't go wrong with them. Here's number 2 in our party of 4. We got Cody right here from Rod and Hand Fishing. And make sure to head on over to his page, guys. Make sure to follow his page, follow his channel on YouTube. Man's got some awesome content, guys. You ain't gonna be disappointed. The hell's that? Senko? There we go. Pink mini minnow. Took a minute, guys. We're finally on number 2. All right. Appreciate it, Cody. Oh yeah, that's a good 3 pound fish. Could have put up a little bit better of a fight though.
He did come in, he did.
Yeah, he did. Spit that hook right in the net too.
Look at that one.
Yeah, it is. Rigged up to that NRV Baits pink mini minnow, guys. Only took a couple casts and bob her down.
It's short but fat.
It'll go good in the frying pan.
Yes, sir.
There you go, guys. Heck yeah. Yes, sir. So while we were all cutting it up upstream, guys, Fluff had to pull his phone out and record a snippet of what he was fighting downstream. This battle was an all-out war, guys, and I make no apologies for the language because it was all-out raw emotion. But here you go.
God. Dude, this mother a salmon, son. I am not shitting you. Listen to the 2 pound test humming, son, in the wind. Hey, this sumbitch is huge, y'all. Boys, when y'all see this sumbitch, god damn. Dude. This thing ain't right, y'all. This sumbitch is a monster. Hey. You look what a son of a bitch out there. You look. Oh, I still ain't. He has not let me gain on him at all. That's the prettiest son bitch I've ever to in my life. Oh, Jesus Christ. This one's going on the wall, boys, if I get him in. You look there, what a son of a bitch, y'all. I mean, god damn. Fuck Whopper, son.
Oh, 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 look at Fluff here.
Look at the fins on that fish. It looks like a native.
Oh, that fish definitely been in these waters, born and raised. Them are some beautiful fins. That's that's an 8 pound fish.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. Yeah. We'll weigh him right now.
Well, hey, I gotta tell you, he's heavy.
And guys, last but not least, we got Fluff here. Unless you're living under a rock, you know who Fluff is. Just go on Posky Outdoors.
Look at that peach fire egg right there.
£8 pounds.
Nailed it.
Hell yeah, I appreciate that.
Look at that, guys.
Hold him up, I'll get a picture.
Yeah, I need y'all to take a picture for me too. I wasn't worried about it coming off when I seen that right there where it was. It just, I was worried about my 2 pound test.
What pound test was that again, Fluff?
2 pound.
2 pound test.
Yep.
Anybody ever digs me again about using 4 pound test line, 8 pound male rainbow right there on 2 pound test.
I catch a lot of times I catch carp on it too.
There we go. Hot dog, Fluff.
That's a good one there.
There we go. Very next cast, guys.
That's a pretty good one.
Pink mini minnow.
Anybody need a tip of snow?
Nah, I don't do it anymore.
I hear you.
Another solid 2-pounder.
Yeah, that's a good one there. I told this woman that come in one time, she was like, how do you keep catching all them fish? I said, man, you gotta dip snuff.
That's what I needed, was for you to show up. Now the fish are starting to bite good.
Yeah. They said,
Do a
oh,
rain
fuck
dance.
you. I should have stayed down there.
Oh, this one fought better than the last one. That's a smaller fish.
Oh, silvered up hen?
Thank you, sir.
Don't let them smaller ones like that.
Coop, I'm stealing it. Still got it.
We'll take it.
There we go, guys. Halfway there. This is why we come to Virginia, boys and girls. This right here. Heck yeah.
I'm pretty sure there's a couple laying in there.
Yeah, I watched one roll for sure when you were drifting down through there. There we go. Got one, Fluff. Yep, good one. Real good one. RV Baits Black Creek Bug, boys and girls. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, she does, doesn't she? Get you over here in this slack water, old girl. There she is. I bet if I press on her belly right now, they'll spit.
Yep, they're spawning. That's why they're hitting these eggs spawning so well.
Yep.
That's why this big male's run back up in this creek.
All day long. Look at her fins. I think she's good and full too.
Oh yeah.
Look how bright red she is. She's natural.
Mm-hmm. Yep, she is.
There you go, guys. Look at that toad of a female. Heck yeah, guys. Let's try rigging up pink creek bug. Probably knockout pink. Might be the way to go. I'll tell you what, guys, I've tried dough bait earlier, and that wouldn't get it done for me, but as soon as I went back to these artificials, just getting her done for me today. There's a good one sitting right here, guys. I just watched him roll. See if I can get him to take. Let me just let it drift right past him. There we go, guys. Switched her up. This one had to have it. Get my net here. Switched it up to that knockout pink creek bug. Sorry about that, had the arm in the way. Well, this mud is slick, guys. Even with these boots on, this mud is slick. fish got himself all wrapped up, but it's all right. We'll take it. Let me show you this creek bug real quick. Well, I'm glad I kept this fish on too. Look at that, guys. Creek bug is choked right where you want it. Heck yeah, guys. Good solid 2-3 pound fish. We'll take it.
You might as well try and see.
Oh, I'll get him with this speckled pup. He darted right for it. Yep. Chased it 3 different times and just would not commit.
Ooh, that was committed.
Told you I'd get him. Oh no, don't get wrapped around that.
Yeah, there you go. I think that's a better one I seen go in today this morning anyway. He's pretty.
Yeah, he is. Got that net.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that long-handed motherfucker.
Oh, don't fall, Terry. Don't fall. Oh, they're strong. They're super strong. You want them? Huh? What was that? I'm trying to get one. I'm trying to get one real good one to finish it out. You sure? I mean, he's lip hook. He'll go back strong. He's lip hooked. He'll go back strong. All I use is artificials. He's better than that one you got on there. So unfortunately on this fish, guys, it ended up getting hooked up underneath the bottom lip, which was considered a foul hook. So I did have to let this beast of a fish go, but still an awesome fish, guys. Would have been my new personal best. But she went back happy and healthy after a couple minutes of revival. So hope you guys enjoy. Oh guys, I got a monster. Look at this fish, guys. Oh, that's a beast. Now that's a good one. If that one ain't snagged, that'll give me my limit for the day.
You need some help?
I don't know. We'll see here real quick. Hey, it's almost as big as that last one.
A couple nice fillets on that one.
Oh yeah. Oh, this one's fair hook. Yep. There's my limit. I'll take this one for sure. Absolutely choked that speckled pup. Whoa. Whoa. Spit it right at the net too. Oh no, broke it right at the net. Holy crap, guys, look at this fish. Hell yeah, guys. New personal best right there. Legit hooked. That's an 8-pound fish all day long. Heck yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for us here today on TLK Outdoors. Fluff bugged out already, but, you know, like I said, we got Cooper and Cody.
It's too late.
Anyway, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Comment if you haven't done so already. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's, you know, we're growing and we're getting ever so much closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark, guys. But if you like I said, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, comment. And just remember, guys, always stay safe, keep them lines tight, and always enjoy them great outdoors. Quick release.